thank you for clicking on Ray's Hobby, spending a little bit of your time with me. So the weather has been up, down, all around kind of crazy, but overall pretty dry here in Florida. I do have a new batch of rosemary. The lemon verbena somehow survived. The Jamaican sorrel, that is never dying. Same with the lemongrass. Thai basil. We got to get rid of some of that. Oregano coming back. Pomegranate tree is more active than it's ever been. That's cool. These are Brussels sprouts that did not sprout for me, so just Brussels, I suppose. Hibiscus is doing well. So we do have some beets, and we do have this rosemary, which I want to train around and have that grow into something pretty nice. And I gotta go through here because apparently there is some, I believe this is turmeric right there. Onions, and these are the Brussels sprouts that did sprout, and we're gonna start eating some of those. They're not as big as I want, of course, but hey, you know what? I grew them, they're mine, they're free, they're cool. And Snackos, can't go wrong with Snackos. The broccoli, I did not realize, I had to clip the top. I didn't realize it was going to die that quickly. Not die, but flower. And so I'm looking for these little offshoots. A good man at Urban Backyard Container Gardening. Really good guy. And check his channel out. He gave me some tips. I mean, he gives everybody tips. These are actually a garlic, and they're looking better than any other garlic that I've grown. I know it looks like onions, but some of those will end up turning into slips. So that is a little bit of an update on everything else that we have going on right now. Really happy that this has actually survived a kind of chaotic winter. And so we'll get to see how it goes. And pretty soon I will end up cooking up some of the homegrown stuff, and from there you can always check it out. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. I love to read everybody's comments. It does help the channel grow as well and get shared into the algorithm, because the almighty algorithm is a pain in the butt. So that's what we have going on now, and the next time you see this, it's going to be a good bit more green, and there's going to be some new plants and herbs down, because I'm going to harvest all of the Thai basil. As you can see, most of these purple leaves are fading into brown. That's fine. I'll collect the 1,000,002 seeds that I have, and I'm going to dry the leaves out from when we need them. I have more than plenty now, and that'll last me quite a long time. Dried, it'll last me a few years, so I'll have the seeds from when I need more. Thank you guys very much for watching, stopping by, and checking out what we've got going on. I apologize, I've been working so much. It's my first day off this week, and that's been 8 straight days and like 80 something hours, and I'm just tired. And then of course we will have to check in on the man, the myth, the furry orange legend. Hey Freddy, what you doing, buddy? Huh? You want to come say hi? The peeps haven't seen you. Yeah, give them a good stretch. We'll go out soon, buddy. We'll go out soon. Promise. Alright? Yeah. Alright. Thanks again, everybody. I hope you have a great day. and we'll see you soon. I just need to have like more than half a day off, and we'll be right there. We'll be right as the mail. Freddy, what are you doing? I know you want to go out. Not yet, buddy. It's getting hot out there. We'll go out soon enough, I promise. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.